Imagine meeting wise Stoics who offer you the key to tranquility and success in 2024. How would you respond to the challenges of the modern world using ancient Stoic philosophical lessons? What if we told you that the secrets of the Stoics are not only relevant, but can also become your main ally in facing the chaos and uncertainty of the future? Let's explore together how Stoic advice can guide you through the uncharted waters of 2024. Are you ready to immerse yourself in a philosophical kaleidoscope? Then buckle up. An exciting journey awaits us in the realm of resilience and transformation. Advice number 1. Reflect on the past. Imagine that your mind is a wise elder capable of reading the deepest lessons on the pages of your life. Stoics claimed that the past is our best teacher, and in this lesson, it is necessary to analyze the past to make the coming year brighter and more successful. Let's start with a thorough examination. Recall your successes and failures, moments of joy and challenges you faced. Cultivate an honest self-reflection and be prepared for a candid conversation with yourself. Patterns are what we are looking for. Perhaps you'll notice recurring scenarios or the same mistakes that seem to persist year after year. It's worth asking yourself, what can we learn from this experience? What lessons has fate presented to us? If you found interesting and unusual patterns in your life, feel free to share them in the comments of this video. Stoics believed that true freedom lies in understanding and accepting what lies behind us. By analyzing the past, we can free ourselves from anxiety and fears, realizing that every moment is an opportunity for growth. Review the key moments of 2023, starting from January and ending in December. Highlight significant moments, achievements, and challenges. Compare your goals set at the beginning of the year with what was achieved at its end. It is essential to understand why some goals were reached and others were not. Pay attention to your emotions in different situations from the past. Identify what brought you joy and what caused stress. This will help identify which aspects of your life are worth changing or developing. Examine your typical reactions to stress, surprises, joyful events, and disappointments. Find out if you have recurring behavior patterns in certain scenarios. If possible, seek feedback from close friends, colleagues, or family. Their perspective can help you see aspects of your life that may have gone unnoticed. Keep in mind that the process of analyzing the past is not just about finding mistakes, but also about learning and growth. It's important to look at the past with kindness and benevolence toward yourself. Advice number 2. Set goals and define values for 2024. Now that we've reflected on the past, it's time to cast our gaze into the future. The second piece of Stoic advice for us may sound simple, but it's a crucial step for living consciously. Goals are the beacons of our journey, guiding us toward success. Let's start by carefully considering what truly matters to us in the new year. Grab pen and paper. Let's create a list of our goals. Remember to make your goals SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Values are the foundation of our well-being. Think about your values. What is genuine and important to you? It could be health, family, self-improvement, kindness, or honesty. Prioritize them, ensuring that your goals align with your values. Stoics believed that we gain strength when our goals align with our values. Break down significant goals into smaller steps. This makes them more manageable. And remember, goals can change, they don't have to be rigid, as our understanding of ourselves and the world is constantly evolving. The goal-setting process is your personal navigation plan for the uncharted waters of the future. Allow yourself to dream, then develop a strategy. Arm yourself with determination and focus so that the course of your ship is clear and ready to face any life turbulence. Hold on to your goals and values. They will be your anchors on the journey through 2024. Advice number 3. Embracing reality. Let's delve into the very essence of reality, like peering into a magical mirror reflecting the world in all its complexity. Reality is an intricate tapestry of time, events, and human interactions, creating the wondrous canvas of our lives. Reality is not a static picture, but a vibrant symphony of change. We live in a world where each moment is unique and unrepeatable. Reality is an eternal flow carrying us forward, filling our days with moments of joy, challenges, and unexplored possibilities. Embracing reality is the art of understanding and perceiving this symphony. It's not submitting oneself to blind chance, but engaging in a free dance with the melody of time. Accepting reality means freeing ourselves from illusions and acknowledging that every moment is a lesson. Every turn is an opportunity. Embracing reality is recognizing the power to change what we can and the wisdom to accept what we cannot control. When we accept reality, we open the door to growth and transformation. It's like inhaling fresh air into our lungs, a new perspective on the world, freedom from the burden of expectations and fears. Facing failures is a part of life. Accepting them is like freeing ourselves from the weight we imposed on ourselves. The great Marcus Aurelius, philosopher-emperor, knew how to embrace reality. Listen to what he wrote. "Say to yourself in the early morning, I shall meet today ungrateful, violent, treacherous, envious, uncharitable men." In these words, one senses mature wisdom and a realistic approach to interacting with the surrounding world. Marcus Aurelius doesn't suggest building illusions that the world consists only of benevolent and kind people. Embracing reality includes not only joy and well-being, but also negative interactions. He urges us to prepare for the diversity of people and events we may encounter. It's crucial amidst all this complexity to maintain composure and wisdom. Advice number 4, use your time effectively. In the modern world where the pace of life accelerates each year, the sense that time is flying swiftly becomes increasingly apparent. We are like passengers on a train hurtling forward relentlessly, leaving behind only fleeting images of moments gone by. This continuous race not only creates an atmosphere of haste, but also prompts us to reconsider time as our most precious resource. Each second becomes a unique opportunity that should not be missed. Stoics such as Seneca paid attention to the efficient use of time as a crucial aspect of life. Time is our most valuable resource, and managing it is an essential element of resilience and growth. Here are a few important thoughts that might inspire you to make 2024 a more productive year. Seneca argued that a wise person is not someone who can divide their life into before and after, but someone who can live in the present. Pay attention to the current moment to use your time more consciously and effectively. Stoics believed that stress and anxiety often stem from a wrong attitude toward events. Use time to reflect on how you can approach difficulties with calmness and reason, rather than expending energy on worry. Use time to contemplate what truly matters to you and focus on what brings the greatest value. Allocate your time for learning and development. Stoics emphasized the importance of continuous self-improvement, which can include reading, acquiring new skills, or enhancing professional qualities. Effective time management is not just a strategy for success. It is an art that brings harmony to our lives. Stoic ideas teach us not only to be productive, but also to cherish every moment and carefully set priorities. In 2024, let's greet time with respect and use it consciously. Advice number 5, cultivate communication and relationships. The Stoics paid attention not only to the internal world, but also to interactions with others. Their philosophy included the understanding that the quality of our relationships and the ability to communicate effectively play a crucial role in our well-being. Here are some Stoic principles that can help in building meaningful relationships in 2024. Empathy. Stoics urge us to understand and perceive the feelings of others. Empathy helps build deep connections, allowing people to feel that their words and feelings matter. Clarity and communication. It is important to approach communication with clarity and honesty. Stoics taught that sincere and clear communication lays the foundation for long-term relationships. Acceptance of differences. We are all unique, and Stoics taught acceptance of differences. Viewing the world with tolerance and respect for diversity enriches our relationships. Resilience in conflicts. Stoics taught us to maintain calm in challenging situations. Resilience faces conflicts with wisdom, resolving them without unnecessary emotional reactions. Active listening. Effective communication involves active listening. Stoics encourage us to be attentive to the words of others, understanding their perspective. In 2024, let's build our relationships based on Stoic principles, making them more harmonious, supportive, and fruitful. Communication and interaction with others become the key to a fulfilling and balanced life. Advice number 6: setting boundaries and self-care. Stoic philosophy taught that the ability to set boundaries and care for oneself are crucial aspects of maintaining internal balance and well-being. In 2024, let's pay attention to these important ideas. Stoics taught that the ability to say no is not a display of selfishness but a form of self-care. Establish boundaries in relationships and responsibilities to conserve your energy and focus on genuinely important matters. Stoics understood that self-care involves both physical and mental well-being. Find a balance between physical activity, healthy eating, and taking care of your mind. Rest and recovery are essential elements of a productive life. Stoics taught us that rest is not a sign of weakness but a strategy to preserve strength and energy. Stoics taught us not to suppress emotions but to meet them with understanding. Take care of your emotional well-being, recognizing that emotions are a natural part of the human experience. In the new year, it's important to focus on self-care, set boundaries in your life, and create conditions for a balanced and fulfilling existence. Advice number 7: developing self-discipline. Imagine your life as a unique tournament where every day you engage in a duel with yourself. Developing self-discipline is the art of preparing for these internal battles, where each victory shapes a better version of you. Cultivating self-discipline gives us inner strength and resilience in the face of life's challenges. It's like exercising muscles. The more we practice, the stronger we become. Here are several recommendations for developing self-discipline. Set goals, as we discussed in advice number 2. The more specific and measurable your goals, the easier it is to create an action plan and follow through. Break down large goals into small steps and create an action plan. This helps you clearly visualize what to do each day to achieve your set objectives. Schedule your day, including time for work, relaxation, and personal development. Set priorities and strictly adhere to your schedule. If a task takes 2 to 10 minutes to complete, do it immediately. This principle helps avoid accumulating small tasks. Incorporate rituals into your life that support your self-discipline. This could be a morning routine, an evening reflection, or other purposeful habits. Learn something new every day. This includes not only acquiring new knowledge, but also discovering new ways to solve old problems. Self-development helps maintain an interest in life and strengthens inner motivation. Identify when you have the highest energy levels and maximum concentration, and use that period for important tasks. Engage with positive and motivated individuals. Surrounding yourself with such people can inspire and support your efforts in developing self-discipline. Start your day with short but regular physical activity. It could be a quick workout, a morning run, or home exercises. Regular morning exercises not only improve your physical fitness, but also cultivate discipline and willpower. Establish this habitual ritual and you'll see an increase in energy, improved mood, and a positive and focused start to your day. Developing self-discipline is a gradual process. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate small successes and learn from failures. By following these 7 pieces of advice, we will lay the foundation for achieving our goals, improving our inner world, and finding true meaning in life. If you found these tips helpful and are ready to welcome 2024 with a new perspective on your life, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Regular videos with practical advice will help you become the best version of yourself. Share this video with those who are also seeking a source of inspiration and wisdom. Together, we can make 2024 a year of real growth and achievements. Stay resilient, wise, and be inspired by every moment.